We are all in danger from drivers like this.
All new at 5, a man is now behind bars, charged with killing a man who was just driving home from work. This happened on May 4th on I-35 near Benz-Engelman. Police say the suspect, Jeremiah Navarez, fired a gun repeatedly at Andrew Rangel, causing him to hit a median wall before crashing into a tree. Police say the two did not know each other. One of the witnesses to the crime had a dash cam. In the video, police could see a Buick LeSabre pull up to Rangel's vehicle and begin shooting. When the suspect was contacted, police say he denied owning the car. Navarez then abruptly left his job and moved out of state. Police say they made the arrest after several co-workers identified the car belonging to Navarez. Police also say GPS data pins Navarez at the location during the time of the murder.
At the top tonight, 60 years. That's how long one man will spend in prison. 36-year-old Jeremiah Narvaez pleaded guilty yesterday in a deadly 2022 road rage shooting. 29-year-old Andrew Rangel was shot and killed on I-35 near Benz-Engelman. A witness caught that shooting on video, and a jury handed down the 60-year prison sentence earlier today.